Markets for the past 4 5 months have been volatile and hence are not ideal for many participants. But is there a way that we can filter stocks that are doing decent in this very time period? I mean, if there are stocks who have resisted falling when indexes have taken a beating and instead have shown positive returns, aren't they worthy candidates to at least be in the watch list for many of us? Well, let's see. Before we begin, let's first see the Nifty's chart and see from on which date or from which week did this downfall started happening or this correction started happening. On the chart I can clearly see that from 27th Friday, this week of 30th, we started falling into a correction. So, our starting point would be September and our ending point would be February. Between this time period, let's filter the stocks who have shown strength or have resisted any decline. And we'll see how many stocks out of the 2100 NSE universe we can screen out. Let's go to the ChartSmaze platform. So here we are on ChartSmaze platform. This is the home page. How to make a custom screener. You click on scanners, you hover over create scanner, and you click on custom. So create scanner, custom, and you are on your custom scanner tab. This is a free feature. Feel free to create your custom scanner reports and use them as you would like. Now, back to the task at hand. We want to see that which are the stocks in the last 6 months who have resisted decline and are interesting to be part of our watch list among these 2100 list of stocks, right? So let's go to filters and multi-sort functionality of this platform. We start with filtering, we go to miscellaneous, we see this return range, right? And we see that there are multiple time frames that are specified in this return range. So September was roughly 6 months before, right? So we can have September, October, November, December, January, and February. So it's roughly 6 months. So let's take the 6 month return, click here, and we want return range greater than zero. Since we don't have just a greater than zero option, let's take it 0 to 1000, right? Now, I would also like to see a 3 month return range greater than zero, right? So it's consistency. Stocks who are giving me greater than zero return in the past 6 months, plus stocks who are giving greater than zero return in the past 3 months. Let's make it more spicy. Let's click on 1 month and do the same conditions again. So we also screen out few more stocks, and let's do it on a weekly level as well. Being aggressive is the name of the game. And so now the condition is stocks which in the past 6 months have given a greater than 0% return, and in the 3 months greater than 0% return, and in the 1 month greater than 0% return, and in the last week as well have given a 0% return. So now, what more conditions can we put? I would like to exclude some circuit stocks, right? That's my personal choice. You can choose to not click it. Now I go to technicals. I would also like to choose stocks above 1,000 market cap of 1,000 crores. I don't like illiquid securities, but you can feel free to uncheck this option if you like to see more names in your screener. So now I click on apply, and boom, we have 52 stocks out of 2,100 NSE stocks that have given a greater than 0% return since the last 6 months when the market has been volatile and in a correction phase. Now, would you like to analyze it? Feel free to. Do you want to see which stocks are nearer to 52-week high? Well, here are your names. You don't like them in the list format? No problem. You click on charts. You don't like only seeing one chart at a time. You go to the display setting, you click on chart settings, and you change the chart layout to 1 cross 2. And you can see these charts one by one, and these are all strong stocks. I mean, we can't say whether these stocks are something that one should go out and trade, but they certainly have a potential to be in your watch list. So, the stocks that you see on your screen, the way we have screened it, it just helps us to know, okay, even in a market environment like this, we do have some names that we should always be on the lookout for. I hope you liked this smart stock screening criteria, and we'll be back for more. Subscribe this channel and like the video, and we'll see you soon. Thank you.